Today I will show you the LVTOPSUN packing line. Let's go. We are now packing the 16 kWh battery. We start with the heavy-duty UN carton. Four corners are guarded with sturdy cardboard. The EPE foam is cut to the battery instead side and cushion it all around. Side handle make carry easy. The hidden wooden plate double as an inner support. Stay the batteries on the wooden pallet and wet them with plastic wrap to keep the water and the dust out. Our battery carton is low testing. Keep the battery safety in transport. Carton packing is our standard. Wooden packing also supported. Contact LVTOPSUN for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye.